Welcome to RECK. I'm Ryan. We're still going with the cringy intros. This is a new setup. It's cleaner. It's the same setup actually, but it's just cleaner. Did a little bit of rearranging. Did a lot of work because this episode we're gonna be teching a bit more, but also a lot of wrecking. I know that my last video had a lot of energy and cringe. And I didn't really talk too much about what I'm going to be doing in RECTech or at RECTech. Basically, this is just a hobby. I'm here to build cool shit. And a lot of the things that I want to build are inevitably going to be breaking or wrecking. And, you know, it's just all part of the fun. We're here to build, and we're here to take those builds to their limit. Yeah, a common theme here at RECTech is learning, and from my own experience, I learn pretty well from my mistakes. Hopefully, the wrecking is going to be under control and spectacular. The tank that I'm building is probably going to be a reoccurring platform for me to be doing the latest and greatest wrecking with my tech. Maybe I'll build my own blaster to my own design rather than just strap a thrift store special onto the top of it. It would be pretty cool to build, you know, bigger tanks. I might have a thing for tanks, I don't know. I do have more plans in the future to wreck more things. My idea is to start getting into combat robotics. That is the pinnacle of wrecking and teching. I'll probably start making robots either in the 450 gram or 1 pound robot leagues. I will work my way up to 3 pound, or maybe I'll just go straight to 3 pound. Who knows? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I had a lot of fun at the RC track, my local RC track. I just have a blast driving the tank around. And it's gonna be playing right now. Oh, where's that tank going? It's doing such a good job. There's nothing that can happen to this tank. It's so well designed. Huh? Well, that's not the only tank video. Let's see what happens next. We had the first critical failure of the truck. Shit happens. Let's see how easy it is to repair with no power tools. Luckily I brought a few spares. fuck out here, boy. Oh, wow. Was I not even looking at it the whole time? God damn. But yeah, there's the new track.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh God. Oh God, no. Well, got another failure. This one's a bit more substantial. Let me just take that off. I was going like the ludicrous speed too. Holy shit! A wheel came off. Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh, that looks important. Oh no. That might be it for today. Sheesh. I'm learning a lot of what can break. It still runs, but it's a little sad. Ooh, that was some unforeseen wrecking. It was actually pretty predictable. I literally broke it the second that I kind of took off the Nerf gun. Okay, that's, you know, it is what it is. It's taken me a while to get myself to rebuild. I'm still in the process of rebuilding. Showed this off. This is going to be coming up in the next video. And this is also going to be in the next video. This is the new version of the Nerf gun turret. As you can see, it's a little wobbly. I need to fix that. But other than that, it's got way more support. It's not going to just break off in one location. It needs to break in 2 locations, which, you know, knowing my driving skills, it is very possible. Fixed the wheel. It's a different color. Anycubic decided to change the gray, which is why there's some light gray. There's a lot of dark gray. The dark gray is the new gray. I don't know why they did that. You know, but it is what it is. Yeah, so this video, I'll be talking about one of my earlier inspirations, Ivan Miranda. He built a 3D printed tank a number of years ago. I tried looking for the video. It's been removed from his channel. It was really cool. It was very modular. Here, I'll bring up. The tank he built heavily inspired this tank. This tank, you know, it broke. Okay, classic Ryan. Ivan's video inspired the modular setup where I have 6 parts for the frame to create one big tank. But Ivan's tank was cool, and I tried to make that. Turns out he's really talented. I wasn't. You know, it is what it is. Yeah. Still keeping this around because, damn, does it look pretty cool. Ooh, I had it on the broken side too. Yikes. Because I took this thing off a big jump, totally broke this wheel off. Funny how that keeps happening, huh? And it, you know, for a first attempt, it was adequate. But yeah, Ivan was a big inspiration for starting the tanks, my tank building journey. Thank you, Ivan. Go ahead and write down in the comments some of the projects you're working on. Maybe I'll showcase them here, because you know it's really cool to see what other people are making, and there's a lot of talented people out there. So I want to, you know, be inspired by all of you. Unfortunately, I have to keep this video down because this is a new channel. So all of the repair efforts will be going into the next video, and I will be showing off what the new upgrades can do. So stay tuned. Thank you everyone who's liking, commenting, engaging. It means a lot. Thank you.